Watson. I'm the founder and head of explosions at the Curiosity Box, and today I'm going to talk you through our virtual reality 360 glasses. These are really entry-level VR experience glasses, and they're really easy to use, which is why we thought they'd be great fun for kids. So when you get them, they arrive flat packed like this, and you just need to tear along the perforation at the back, unfold it, and the part that you need is this part here. So you just bend the casing back and forward and then tear that off. And to fold them up, all you need to do is push the corners gently inwards, like so, and you'll see this part here with the lenses. Just push that down into the little, there are little nooks in the bottom for the flaps to go into, and then there's a large flap at the back, which is where you need to put your smartphone. And all you need on your phone is YouTube, and if you search YouTube, which I have here, for VR, as in the letters V and R, and 360 in the numbers, and you'll get a range of videos here. There are water slides, roller coasters, there's a Minecraft VR 360 video, skydiving, space. Choose the one you want. I'm going to go for a water slide today. And then pop it in with the screen inwards, close the flap to secure the phone, and then look and have your VR experience. Now, the beauty of VR 360 is that it gives you a 360 view of whatever the video is that you're watching. So don't forget to kind of look up, look down, look around, and see what you can see in the video. And that is how our VR 360 glasses work. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.